Chemistry of actinides. As we have learned in chapter 1, F block elements consist of two series of elements placed at the bottom of the periodic table. These two series are lanthanide and actinide, which involve the filling of 4F and 5F subcells respectively. We have studied the chemistry of lanthanide in chapter 4. Let us now discuss the chemistry of actinides. Actinides. The 14 elements which follow actinum from thorium to lawrencium in the periodic table are called actinides. These are analogous to lanthanides and involve the filling of 5F orbitals. As in the case of lanthanides, the name of the series is after the name of the preceding element actinum, with which these elements closely resemble. These are also called actinines. Before 1940, only the naturally occurring actinides thorium, proctinium, and uranium were known. The remaining elements are made artificially by nuclear bombardment. These elements are also called man-made elements. Since these man-made elements have atomic number higher than uranium, they are sometimes called trans-uranium elements. Indeed, now man-made trans-uranium elements constitute about 50% of all no chemical elements. All the actinides are toxic to humans. These elements are radioactive and therefore the isolation and characterization of these elements, particularly the heavier ones, posed many problems. The individual elements are not produced cleanly in isolation but must be separated from other actinides as well as from lanthanide produced simultaneously by fission. This study posed serious problem due to the following reasons. In decay processes, the emitted particles are extremely energetic, which break bonds and rupture crystal structures. The breaking of bonds by emitted particles in a sample of radioactive elements is similar to a continuous self reduction process. Therefore, it is difficult to prove the existence of an oxidation state for every radioactive isotope. The energy given out appears largely as heat in sample. For example, the heat produced by a millimolar solution of cerium 242 salt in water would be sufficient to evaporate the solution to dryness in a short time. The radioactive nature has also two serious operational consequences. Because of radioactive nature, it is necessary to employ elaborate radiation shielding, and therefore, in many cases, operation must be carried out by remote control. The heavier elements are produced only in very small amounts. For example, molybdenum was prepared in almost unbelievably small amounts of the order of 1 to 3 atoms per experiment. Therefore, it was very difficult to isolate and characterize these elements. However, the advancement in research and development of sophisticated instruments have made the chemistry of actinide a fascinating subject. General characteristics of actinides electronic configuration. The actinides involve the filling of 5 of subcell. Actinium has the electronic configuration 6d17s2 from thorium onwards. 5 of orbital got progressively filled because of almost equal energy of 5 of and 6d subcell. Therefore, there are some uncertainty regarding the filling of 5F and 6D energy of 5F and 6D subcells. There are some uncertainty regarding the filling of 5F and 6D subcells. The electron may either of the two subcells. Therefore, there is a doubt whether thorium contains 5F electron or not, and two electronic configurations are suggested for this. Because of these uncertainties, different workers have suggested different configuration. The most widely expected electronic configuration of these elements are given in table 1. The general electronic configuration of actinide may be written as 5 of 1 to 14 6 0 to 1 7s2. Physical properties, melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point of actinide are moderately high, but they are considerably lower than those of transition element. However, there is no regular trend in the melting and boiling point density of actinide first increases and then decreases as shown in table 2. Heats of fusion and heats of vaporization. The heat of fusion and vaporization and measure only for a few elements. The heat of vaporization in general decreases from thorium to M. Oxidation state. Actinides of plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 oxidation state. However, plus 3 oxidation state is the most common among the actinides. The different oxidation state of actinide element are given in table 3. Note: bold number are most common oxidation state. The oxidation state shown in Parentheses are unstable. Question mark indicates species that have been claimed but not substantiated. Some of the important conclusions regarding oxidation state of actinide are summed up below. All the actinide have an oxidation state of plus 3 like lanthanide, but this is not always the most stable oxidation state in actinides. For example, for the first four element plus 3 is not most stable oxidation state. It has been observed that the most oxidation state of the element up to uranium is the one involving the valence electron. For example, the most stable oxidation state of Th plus 4, Pa plus 5, and uranium plus 6. Plutonium show all the oxidation state from plus 2 to plus 7, but the most stable state is plus 4. Similarly, americium shows all the oxidation state from plus 2 to plus 6. However, Am, the most stable state of is plus 3. For all the americium, plus 3 oxidation state is most stable. Plus 4 oxidation state exists for all elements from, and it is the most important state for plus 4 oxidation state is strongly oxidizing but is more stable than palladium. Ionic radii and actinide contraction. Like lanthanide, actinide also show actinide contraction. The size of the atom or ions of actinide decreases regularly along the series with the increase in atomic number from actinium to lutetium. The steady decrease in the ionic radii with increase in atomic number is called actinide contraction. The actinide contraction is due to imperfect shielding of one five of electron by another in the same subcell. Therefore, as we move along the series, the nuclear charge and the number of five of electron increases by 1 unit at each step. However, due to imperfect shielding of five of orbital, the effective nuclear charge increases, which result in contraction of the size. Magnetic properties. The magnetic properties of actinides are lesser than the theoretical predicted values. This is attributed to the fact that 5 of electrons of actinides are most exposed to crystal field and therefore are less effectively shielded. This results in the quenching of the orbital contribution. The magnetic moment of tri-positive actinides decreases from U3 positive to give a minimum at Pu3 positive, after which it increases and show a maximum at CF3 positive. There after it starts decreasing again as in shown figure 2. Colors of iron. Actinide ions are generally colored. The color of actinide ions depends upon the number of 5 of electron. The ion containing number of 5 of electron or 7 5 of electron are colorless as expected. The ions containing 2 to 6 electron in the 5 of subcell are colored. The colors arise out of electronic transition between various energy state within the 5 of subcell. The color of actinide ions arising from absorption of light depends upon F2 of F2D and charge transfer transition. The F to F transition occur in visible and ultraviolet region and determine the color of solution of simple actinide salts. The interpretation of F2 of transition of actinide is similar to those F2 of transition of lanthanide. However, because the 5 of electrons in actinides are more exposed than the 4 of electron in lanthanides, therefore these are influenced by the ligand field, that is ligands. Hence the absorption spectra of actinide complexes are more complicated and are less characterized than those lanthanides. It has been observed that in general the F2F absorption of actinide ions are about 10 times stronger than and 2 times broader than those F2 of transition of lanthanide ions. It may be noted that in case of actinide ions, light of higher wavelength is required to result F2F transition as compared to lanthanide ions. This is because energy difference between 5F and 6D orbital in actinide is smaller than in between 5F and 4F and 5D orbital in lanthanides. Therefore, the allowed and very strong F2D transition, even in the case of trivalent actinide ions, lie in the ultraviolet region, therefore do not influence the color of actinide ion. The allowed and highly intense charge transfer transition are generally responsible for the color of actinide complexes. This is found in actinides in higher oxidation state with ligands having easier oxidizability. However, lanthanides do not show any such transition because they do not have oxidation state higher than 4. Formation of complexes. Like lanthanide, actinides also form complexes. However, actinides have greater tendency to form complexes in comparison to lanthanides. This is because of higher charge and smaller size of their ions. They form a wide range of complexes in a different oxidation state of actinides. 4 plus 3 oxidation state, where there is much resemblance to lanthanide, octahedral coordination and coordination number 9 are found. 4 plus 4 oxidation state and coordination number 8 is very common. In plus 5 oxidation state, the ACF83 negative ion has cubic coordination, while in plus 6 oxidation state, the hexafluorides are strictly octahedral. The general tendency to complex ion formation is controlled by ionic size and charge and decreases age. For anions, the order of complexing ability is generally uninegative binegative. Complexes formed by actinides are discussed below. Most of actinide halides form complexes ions with alkyl metal halides. For example, thorium tetrachloride forms the complexes such as KTHCl5, K2THCl6, and K3THCl7 with KCl complexes of the type KPA5, Na2PAF7, Na3PAF8 have been isolated from aqueous medium. Thorium tetrachloride and tetrabromide form complexes with pyridines such as THCl4PY or THBr4PY. Actinides also form complexes with pi bonding ligands such as alkyl phosphanes, thioesters, etc. Reactivity. The actinides are electropositive and very reactive metals. The reactivity increases with increase in atomic number. The direct reaction of actinides with oxygen, halogens, and acid are similar to those of lanthanide. They react with hydrogen to form non-stoichiometry hydrides with the formula MS2 or MS3. They are readily transition in air, forming a coating of oxide, which is protective in the case of TH, but less so for the other elements. These metals react with most non-metals, especially when heated. They resist attack of alkalis and are less reactive towards acid. The chemistry of actinides is mainly concentrated on U and to a lesser extent on TH and Bu. Compounds of actinides. Actinide form many compounds with non-metals. Some of the important compounds of actinide are discussed below. Oxides. Actinide form oxides in different oxidation state plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. Oxides of actinides are refractory materials. THO2 has the highest melting point of any oxide. These have been extensively studied because of their importance as nuclear fuels. Dioxide are known for almost all actinides. These are generally prepared by ignition of the appropriate oxalate or hydroxide. In air, the expectation are CmO2 and CfO2, which require O2 rather than air, and PO2 and UO2, which are obtained by reduction of higher oxides. For example, UO2 is obtained by the reduction of U3O2 8 with CO. It has black reddish brown color. The only anhydrous trioxide is UO3. It is obtained by heating uranyl carbonate or uranyl nitrate at 400 degrees Celsius. Among the tetrahalides, tetrafluorides are known for elements up to Cf. These are formed by heating the dioxides in HF in the presence of H2 or O2. These can also be prepared by heating the corresponding trifluoride with up to. In all these cases, metal is 8 coordinated, having slightly distorted square antiprismatic array of F negative ions. The tetrachlorides are prepared by heating the dioxide in CCl4 or similar chlorinated hydrocarbons, where tetrabromides and tetraiodides are obtained from elements. The trihalides of all elements U2Es are formed. Several oxohalides of types are known. These are commonly prepared by oxygenation of the halide with O2 or Sb2O3. Occurrence and isolation of actinide elements. All the actinide elements have unstable nuclei and undergo radioactive decay. Among these, the half-lives of and possibly of are such they have remained on the Earth since the formation of solar system. TH and U are by no means rare and make up 8.1 ppm and 2.3 ppm of the Earth's crust respectively. These are in fact more abundant than tin. Let us briefly discuss the occurrence and isolation of uranium from its natural sources and some other elements obtained from uranium. Occurrence and extraction of uranium. Occurrence. Uranium occurs in the following minerals. Pitch blendy contains mainly uranium as U3O8 along with complex silicates, caronite, autounite, calcium caronite, extraction of uranium, concentration roasting. Concentration. The pitch blendy ore is crushed to a fine powder and concentrated by gravity separation method to remove unwanted lighter impurities. Roasting. The concentrated ore is roasted in a reverberatory furnace in the presence of excess air to remove sulfur, arsenic, and other volatile impurities. Leaching with sulfuric acid. The fused mass is leached with dilute H2SO4 sonate sodium uranate changes into soluble uranyl sulfide, while impurities such as PbSO4 and RaSO4 remain insoluble and are filtered off. Treatment with sodium carbonate. The solution is treated with an excess of sodium carbonate when impurities such as aluminum, nickel, cobalt, and magnesium get precipitated as basic carbonates, while uranium remains in solution as sodium tricarbonate uranate. Treatment with sulfuric acid. The insoluble carbonates are filtered off and the solution is neutralized with dilute sulfuric acid and evaporated to dryness when sodium diuranate is obtained as a heavy yellow precipitate. Treatment with ammonium carbonate. The yellow precipitate of sodium diuranate is digested with ammonium carbonate, resulting in the formation of solution soluble ammonium uranyl carbonate. The insoluble impurities are filtered off. The filtrate is boiled when lemon yellow crystal of ammonium diuranate is obtained. On calcination, ammonium diuranate give uranium oxide. Alternatively, the roasted ore is heated with dilute sulfuric acid for above 16 to 24 hours in the presence of an oxidizing agent such as MnO2. The oxidizes the U3O8 present in the roasted ore is soluble uranyl sulfate. Protection of uranium from U3O8. Uranium can be obtained from U3O8 by the following method. U3O8 is reduced to uranium dioxide by heating with charcoal or hydrogen. UO2 is heated with hydrogen fluoride to get uranium tetrafluoride. The urine tetrafluoride is reduced by heating with magnesium or calcium in pre-vessels. Alternative UO2 is heated with chlorine to form yellow crystals of uranyl chloride. This is on heating with carbon in the presence of chlorine gives volatile uranium tetrachloride. This is on further heating with sodium metal gives uranium metal. The flow sheet diagram for the extraction of uranium from pitch blende is given below. Chemistry of separation of neptunium, plutonium, and americium from uranium. These are produced mainly from uranium in nuclear reactors. Natural uranium contains a large proportion of uranium, whereas uranium is present only to the extent of 0.7% in the nuclear reactors. The interaction of slow neutrons with the uranium present in neutral uranium gives rise to the element due to the nuclear reaction. Americium can be obtained by succession reactions starting with Pu in a nuclear reactor. The yield of heavier elements is controlled by two factors: the half-lives of the various isotopes by their ability to absorb neutrons. These elements are extracted from spent fuel rods which have been used in a nuclear reactor. However, it will be noted that their separation is very difficult and hazardous. It is because they are not only mixed with highly radioactive fusion products, but the material is also feasible. Moreover, PU is extremely toxic and carcinogenic. The reprocessing of nuclear fuels is an important new technology. In addition to PU and PNAM, the irradiated nuclear fuel contains isotopes of over 30 fission product elements. Some of these are second row transition elements I, Xc, SCS, BSCR, C, and lanthanides. The extraction of NPPUAM involves the following procedure. The solution of waste product is concentrated and stored in double-walled stainless steel tanks shielded by concert. Air is extracted from these reactor waste. Comparison of actinide and lanthanide series. Both lanthanide and actinide involve the filling of f orbitals. They show close resemblance in some of their properties but also differ in many properties. Some of the important points of similarity and differences are summed up below. Similarity between lanthanide and actinide, both exhibit oxidation state of +3 predominantly. In both the series, f orbitals are being progressively filled. Actinide and lanthanide having same number of unpaired electrons have quite similar spectra. In the absorption spectra of the element of both the series, sharp line-like bands appear due to FF transitions. Both are electropositive and have high reactivity. Like lanthanide contraction, these are actinide contraction. These contractions are due to pure shielding of 5F and 4F electron in actinide and lanthanide respectively. The nitrides, perchlorate, and sulfates of trivalent and nathalide are soluble, whereas the hydroxide, fluorides, and carbonates of the element of both the series are insoluble. Actinide, like lanthanides, show ion exchange behavior. Difference between lanthanide and actinides. Property length oxidation state. Lanthanides show mainly +3 oxidation state, except in a few cases where it is +2 or +4. Chemistry of elements. Because of large energy gap between 4F and 5D subcell, their chemistry is fairly similar. Binding energy. Binding energy of 4F are higher. Shielding effect. 4F electron have greater shielding effect, therefore the contraction in the ionic radii is less. Tendency to form complexes. The tendency to form complexes is less. Their complexes with pi bonding ligands are not known. Basic character. Lanthanide compounds are less basic. Tendency to form oxoions. They do not form oxoions. Radioactivity except promethium. These are non-radioactive. Colors. Most of their ions are colorless. Paramagnetic character. They are paramagnetic and their magnetic property can be also explained. Comparison of D block element with F block element. The D block element involve the filling of penultimate n-1 d orbitals, where F block elements involve the filling of anti-penultimate n-2 f orbital. Therefore, in comparison to F block element, the D block element are strongly influenced by the nature of the surrounding ligands because their d orbital project out more than F orbital. In other words, the d electrons in d block element can interact strongly with their surrounding, but F electrons in F block elements do not interact strongly with their surroundings. The main difference between two types element are summed up below. Size. The size of the atom or ions of D block element are smaller than the F block element. Ionization energy. The first ionization energy of D block element are higher as compared to the F block element. Oxidation state. The D block elements show greater variability of oxidation state compared to F block element, particularly lanthanide. Basic character. The oxides and hydroxide of F block element are more basic than the D block element. Complex formation. The element of D block element form complexes easily as corresponding to F block element. The F block element mainly form metal chelates with strong chelating ligand. Absorption spectra. The salts and complexes of F-block elements give narrow absorption band, where the electron spectra of salt and compounds of D-block element have broadband magnetic moment. The magnetic moment value of D-block elements are simple to interpret and correspond to spin and magnet moment are given below, where n is the number of unpaired electron. On the other hand, in case of F-block element, the magnetic property are quite different. Interpret the magnetic moment are calculated from the contribution of spin magnet moment and orbital magnet moment. The magnetic moment may be, whereas S is the sum of spin quantum number, L is the sum of orbital angular moment quantum number. Transuranic element. In the actinide series, uranium is last among the naturally occurring elements with atomic number higher than uranium. Do not occur in nature. These are prepared in the laboratory through nuclear reaction. These elements are known as transuranic elements. They are radioactive in nature and are very short-lived. The number of such elements are slowly increasing, and up-to-date periodic tables include elements with atomic number 107. Among these, neptunium and plutonium occur in minor traces resulting from the action of stray neutrons up to uranium ores. All other are synthesized in laboratory synthesis of transuranic elements. All these are prepared by nuclear reaction, which involves bombardment of neutrons, alpha particle, or some other particle. Some common examples are given below. Preparation of plutonium, atomic number 93. It was prepared by M.C. Milan and Philip Abelson in 1914 at Berkeley. It was prepared by bombarding uranium with slow neutrons when a new isotope of uranium U-239 was obtained. The new isotope of uranium is much more radioactive than natural uranium. It emits beta particle and give a new element of atomic number 93, which does not occur in nature. The element is named as neptunium. It was named by planet Neptune. Preparation of plutonium, atomic number 94. Neptunium is also radioactive and emits a beta particle, giving another new element of atomic number 94 known as plutonium. Neptunium was discovered by Seaborg and his co-workers. It was named after the planet. Actually, three isotopes of plutonium with mass number 236, 238, and 239 are formed. Preparation of americium, atomic number 95. Americium was discovered by Seaborg and his co-workers. These were prepared by bombardment of uranium with alpha particle. In fact, two isotopes of plutonium with mass number 241 and 239 are produced with undergo following nuclear reaction to give americium and cerium. Preparation of cerium, atomic number 96. Preparation of berkelium, atomic number 97. It was synthesized by Seaborg and his co-worker by bombarding the americium 241 with high-speed alpha particles. Other isotope of berkelium was synthesized in a similar reaction in which alpha particles are captured without neutron emission. Preparation of californium. It was synthesized by the bombardment of cerium 242 with alpha particle. Two isotopes of the element are formed. Preparation of Einsteinium. It was obtained by bombardment of an isotope of californium with neutrons. The californium isotope of mass number 253 obtained during the bombardment process yields Einsteinium as a result of beta ray emission. It was synthesized by bombarding uranium with nitrogen nuclei accelerated by cyclotronage. Preparation of rhenium. Preparation of mendelevium. Preparation of nobelium. Preparation of lawrencium. Later actinides. The element from cerium onwards: sodium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, ferminium, mendelevium, nobelium, and lawrencium are called later actinides. The isotope 242 Cm was first isolated among the product of alpha bombardment of 239 PU, and its discovery actually preceded the death of americium. This is available in a microscopic quantities, while all other are available only in tracer amounts. Isotope of other element were first identified in product for the first hydrogen bomb explosion or in cyclotron bombardments. Much less is known about these elements because of their limited availability and their instability. Possible new elements.